In this His Secret Obsession, Incredible Conversions for Female Cold Traffic review, I will be walking you through what exactly His Secret Obsession, Incredible Conversions for Female Cold Traffic is all about, the pros, the cons, and a lot of other things that you will need to know, in order for you to make the right decision on whether it will be the best program to buy or not. But before I get the review started, if you finish watching this review video and you finally decide that you're going to give His Secret Obsession, Incredible Conversions for Female Cold Traffic a try, which I strongly recommend, so all you need to do is, click on the first link in the description of this video you are watching, to get it at a discounted price and a special bonus from me just for now. But before I go via this wonderful review, please not do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you're sure not to miss out on our brand new content. Now let's get the review started by talking about what His Secret Obsession is all about. His Secret Obsession is a relationship guide that helps you to know how a man sees things and how you could use it in your way to make him become glued to you. The program is into 2 parts and comprising of a total of 17 chapters. The core of the program centers on men's instinct, and you will be provided with a list of techniques to exploit this instinct. In this guide, you will get to know what is going on in the male mind so that you can exploit him emotionally and tap into your man's deeper feelings and form an irreplaceable solid bond with him. After all, true love is an obsession. You will be able to motivate each other in creating happiness and generating love traffics for both of you. This program helps women to know techniques and phrases that can make their relationship lasting, incredible, strong, and passionate. They include how to create and form attractions, opening the door of fantasies, and knowing what your man wants in a relationship. It teaches about male psychology in relation to bringing out their emotions. Let's now see how it works. Strategies in the book: The Private Island, strategy to make you know if your man will marry you or not. This strategy works by occupying your man's mind with only you, which will make him develop feelings and affections for you, the X-back signal. This strategy helps ladies in regaining their ex-boyfriends that they are still falling in love with. It helps in finding solutions to past breakups. Relationship material: it is a strategy used for making your man get totally glued to you. The moment you acquire this material, your man won't dare to lose you. Silent action signal, used to activate hero instinct skill in a man. This strategy captivates your man that you will be more enticing to him than any other man. I own you. This strategy makes your man reveal his secrets to you before letting any other person knows. The damsel in distress signal, makes you dominate his instinct so that you will be his main attention all the time, glimpse phase. This strategy helps you in dropping your real self to your man and helps you in to win his interest and make me thirsty to learn more about you. This book is only for women, whether single or married, that want to build a strong, longing relationship. Without waste of time, let's quickly look at first off all the pros and afterward the cons. 1. Saves money. You don't need to visit or consult a relationship expert that charges an amount of money for a specific period of time. All you have to do is purchase this book and you will start learning those strategies by yourself. 2. 60 days money back guarantee. If you feel that the program is not beneficial enough, there is no risk of losing money because you have the opportunity of regaining your money back. 3. Can be used for different types of men. The strategies and techniques in this book work on different types of men. 4. Program is created by an expert. The program was created by James Bauer, who had 12 years of experience in the aspect of relationship and dating and has helped so many couples in regaining a passionate, long-lasting relationship. 5. Easy to understand. Its messages are clear and the techniques and strategies are easy to understand. You can easily learn the steps in the programs without difficulties. Customer support is also available if you are finding it difficult to understand. And now the cons. Results of the processes may vary. In a nutshell, here is a solution to problems faced in your relationship. It has been used for so many relationships and has yielded positive results. This book will provide you the ultimate knowledge and skill to get back with your ex-boyfriend if you are still in love with him. I would personally recommend you go get the program and test it for yourself, but remember, I put a link to their official website page in the description of this video below, which you will get at a discounted price and with a special bonus from me as mentioned above. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as a way of supporting us. Stay safe. Peace.